Hi guys. Okay, today is June 2nd and I have taken down my cornrows and this is what we got. um I sprayed some detangler in it and yeah, so progress it's progressing. It's been a year. Well, it's been over a year because I cut my hair off last March. So basically I'm just gonna clarify my hair with some clarifying shampoo a couple of times. In the process, I'm an oil girl. I love me some oils. I got the canvas oil. I haven't started on this one yet. I got this from City Trends. I got some rosemary oil. I love oil. So also, while my hair is braided up, I love spritzing my hair with water or leave-in or detangler or something. So I've been loving this biotin. I got this from like Marshall's. And then when I went back to get some more, they didn't have no more. So I had to buy it off Amazon. Of course, it was more expensive, but it didn't matter. So I'm also using this detangler in the process. This came from the Dollar Tree. I want some more of that. This right here is another spray, biotin and collagen. Actually, that's not what's in here though. It's some Infusions 23 leave-in in here. But yeah, so I just been spritzing my braids and oiling my scalp. This is my little routine. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys, I wanted to pop back on here. I got shampoo in my hair, so I just wanted y'all to see the curls, the shrinkage. This in there. This amplifying shampoo. Full bloom conditioner. A shout out to Martina Rose. She the one put me on to that. It's the pink packaging, obviously. But I did use this too to detangle my hair. I didn't use a lot. Because it was a lot going on. So I'm just letting it sit. I'm finna get ready and wash it out now. All right. I finished shampooing my hair and conditioning my hair. I topped it off with the Aussie 3-minute deep conditioner. And this is what I got. My hair is two different textures. As you can see, it's a looser curl back here. It's a more black power curl around everywhere else. But I'm oh, so I did put my oils in it and grease and stuff like how I do, and I'm going to braid it, detangle it and braid it up in a little bit. So I'll be back. All right, guys, I wanted to hop back on here because I did finish braiding my hair, and the way that I like to do it, I separated in three: a bottom, a middle, and then ear to ear. Yeah, instead of me, just going straight back. It could be more work, but I found that this works better for me. So this is the finished result. And so I'll go back in my protective styles, and we'll see what else I'm gonna do in this vlog. Okay, I'll be back. What's up, guys? Okay, I just want to pop in. If y'all caught my does it work? Can I make it work? Will it work? Video where I did the makeup. I'm outside, no pun intended. So this is what it's giving. Yeah, I'll be back. Okay, guys, this is what I'm gonna wear today. It's this little two-piece set. Where did I get this from? I think I got this from City Trends. It's so old and I love it. So I'm thinking about pearl accessories, my juicy watch, these pearl hoops, and I just love these little tattoo chokers. So I think I'm gonna wear a pink one. Yeah, it creates that layering effect. I love that a lot. So I think I want to take my new Aldo purse. Um, I got this from Ross, I think. Let's see. Oh yeah, Ross. It was $27.99. Cute or whatever. Yeah, and I don't know what shoes I'm gonna be putting on. Okay, guys, I just had a bright idea. I'm like, wait a minute. Let me carry my juicy purse. What y'all think? Oh man. Either one would go. But this one is really bringing it home. It's like, okay. So, yeah, we're going to take this one, I think. Even though I really want to carry this. She kind of casual. She more dressed up, giving pearls like what I'm going to be giving. Okay. Okay, so I got these nails from Dee Dee's, and they are mauve pink, but they're looking like they're like beige. But yeah, let's wear these today. Okay, guys, I came back with the fragrance I'm gonna be wearing. This Sensemark Blushing Pink Blossom and Victoria's Secret Tropic Vanilla. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I figure I would sit here and do my nails with you. This is a little cushion laptop, little pad, so cute. Okay, so nails. These were $3.99. They are coffin shape and they are LA colors. The glue is included, and oh, I get the little prep pad. But I did bring my isotone just in case. So I got my nail file and my nail clippers. I got one little pad. These are so cute. It's the bling out here for me. So what I like to do is just kind of analyze my nails. Okay, I like for my natural nails to be cut down. Yeah, in case one of my nails pop off, I don't want my real nail ripping off with it. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, that's my thought process. There is a tip that you can do, and that's take the file and file your nail bed, your natural nail bed, and that'll give the glue a little more grip. But I'm not gonna do that because I don't want these nails to stay on too long. So, you know, if only for one night. Yeah. So the isotone method, just it's gonna get any oils, any, you may have put some lotion on, whatever. Oh, and the color on these nails is rose gold. So here's the glue. Sit there right there like that, like so. And again, it came with a wipe. I forgot that quick. So what I like to do is just measure my nails up real quick and lay them out. That way I know. By the way, it is 33 nails in here. I'm just going to take the glue and drop. Typically, a drop is going to be enough. But, do what works for you. Definitely don't use too much. Because when you put that nail on, it'll run out of the sides. Okay, cool. Okay, so I'll be back once I get them done. Okay, guys, I finished my nails. Here they are. And I love these so much. They're like the perfect length. They're not too long. They're given design. Although this one is the only one that I was able to use with a bling. But yeah, giving. Let's go get a car wash.